He does?
Check out this little dress here. The back of the Viagra Man shop.
That will help you.
That's what they got. They got these traditional
Oh, he can loan us his.
Rajasthani hat.
He can loan us his bike.
Yeah, we can take your bike.
So,
Your
yeah,
bike.
I have bike also.
Yeah, we can
It's
take
my
it.
Personal bike.
Yeah, we can borrow it.
How do I look?
Which hotel you stay, brother?
Huh?
Where you stay?
A close.
Nirvana. Hello, Maharani. Introduce yourself.
Don't be
She's a shy
shy.
Maharani.
You can't do that.
She's a shy Maharani, so she doesn't want to be on video.
No, you're not.
All right, so change of plans. I think instead of going to the fort, we met this nice young man who's gonna take us to the desert.
I don't know if he's nice yet. He
Yeah,
still
we'll
hasn't
find
sold
out.
me.
We'll find out. I mean, he seems nice, but we'll find out. Yeah, so for prices that cannot be disclosed until later, we're probably gonna head to the desert. We're gonna find if we can find cheaper scooters so that we can stay in the desert overnight, see some local villages, find some, enjoy some cultural programs, as he said, and yeah, and come back tomorrow morning. So we're back at Jaisalmer. We were just here. All right, maybe he knows somebody there. He could hook us up. So that's the plan. Let's see what we could get as transportation to the village.
Is KTM
I think Rajasthan or Jaisalmer is full of people with witty signs. Look at that. Make your boyfriend less ugly. Is that a dress for your boyfriend? I don't know. Could be. Doesn't look like something a man would wear, but I guess it is. Check out some of these other signs that they have. This is pretty typical. Make your home more beautiful. Bill Clinton, Monica Lewinsky blanket. Make your bed more noisy. Every Kama Sutra position possible on this magic bed sheet. And the Viagra one. All right, so everything seems very official here. They have a little map of Jaisalmer. So you gotta fill the petrol first. And yeah, it's gonna be an automatic little scooter that looks kind of like an electric scooter, but it's not. So we're almost ready to head out now. It's about 3:20. So hopefully we'll reach the desert before the sunset. So I think it's about an hour away, so we should be good. Hey, that's my scooter.
Yeah.
Who's that man? That man's on my scooter. All right, so finally, that's the helmet, and this is the tiny little scooter. Welcome to the desert of Jaisalmer. Check it out. We're still on the road. We drove all the way here on those tiny little scooters, and here we are, right at the sand dunes. You gotta watch out for traffic here too, even though we're in the desert. Gotta watch out for traffic. I feel like my shoes are gonna be filled with sand by the time I'm done here. But look at this, the sand dunes of Jaisalmer. So this place where we are at right now is pretty close to a place called Sam. So yeah, it's about 40 kilometers from the city of Jaisalmer. So we had to get these scooters. We got a camp here, so we're all set for tonight. So the camp included food, accommodation, a cultural program, some sort of traditional dance, and breakfast for tomorrow morning. And sleeping under the stars because we wanted to sleep in the desert. So all of that we got for 2,000 rupees for 2 people, and that's not 2,000 per head. That's 2,000 total for 2 people. So that 1,000 rupees, which is a pretty great deal because they started with 3,500 and we haggled them down to 1,000 at the end because we cut out a lot of things. Had a lot of things included like camel safari, Jeep safari, like that. So we cut most of those things out and brought them down to 1,000 rupees. And yeah, here we are. You can actually, you don't really have to do that. You can just come here, show up. There's so many camps here that you can very easily find accommodation with food and everything else included. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful out here. I mean, somebody peed there, I think. All right. So as you can see, this just sand dunes. This, as far as the eye can see, it's pretty incredible. There are a lot of people here, but you know, as to be expected, we're right in front of the camps. But we can even drive down further. But there's more people as you go further in. So yeah, here we are at the sand dunes. Wow, it's amazing. We got a couple beers here on my bag. So we're gonna open these beers up, have a couple beers. Maybe if we get a good deal on the camel safari, we'll take them on the offer. But for now, check it out. There's still trash there. There's the plastic bottle, all kinds of plastic things. But it's pretty incredible. This is my first time, even though I've been to Jaisalmer before, first time at the sand dunes. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Oh man, my feet keep getting sunken into the soil. Look at this, a convoy of Harley Davidson motorcycles. These guys have been riding around. I don't think it's just these guys. There's just a lot of people with super bikes and big motorcycles. Old people with a lot of money, I suppose. Yeah. Soon enough, we'll have one of our own instead of these shitty little scooters that I've been driving here. And yeah. All right, we're gonna, I think, head into the dunes and open up some beers, take some photos, and enjoy our time here. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hello, camel. Are you treated well? I hope so. They want to take us on a camel ride for 200, but I don't think I'm going to do that because I'm just not a big fan of how I've seen these people treat the camels. I mean, and I'm sure that's not everybody, but you know, yeah, I've never seen them be very nice to these camels, and you know, I don't know, maybe that's obviously not going to be everybody. Some of these people do genuinely love these animals and take good care of them, but you know, yeah, after what I've seen in the past, I just don't want to, you know, yeah, support them. I mean, they're doing pretty well. Everybody's fucking riding camels. Oh my God! Almost got run over by the camel. No, I'm okay. Thank you. Jesus Christ! I was taking photos. This man just ran up on me. All right, man. What a place! What a stunning place. Definitely recommend if you're coming to Jaisalmer. Don't do what I did last time and skip out on the desert. Even though I tried going to a place which was supposed to be in the desert, but it wasn't really in the desert because there were no sand dunes there. I guess it was kind of desert. Kind of a desert, but not really because there's no sand dunes. Deserts needs to have sand dunes, you know. So now we are here. And it's pretty incredible. There's camel poop everywhere, but that's fine.
Yep.
Look at that man. Evil Americans have taken over the camels.
Hindi.
Yeah.
इसको बोलो ये ले जाएगा सनसेट पॉइंट
Sunset Point. He's gonna take you to the Sunset Point. How far?
वो सनसेट पॉइंट
Over there?
हाँ
Okay.
वहीं से वापिस यहीं लेके आएंगे.
So he's gonna take you up that dune and bring you back. Well, we're losing light. So after sunset, we return back to our location.
ये सनसेट पॉइंट.
This? I thought that was Sunset Point.
Huh?
That is
वो
Sunset.
भोका पॉइंट. भोका पॉइंट. ये सनसेट नजीक. उसको बोलो.
He's gonna rip you off, dude.
What's my camel's name?
Name. Camel's name.
The camel.
ऋतिक रोशन.
Hrithik Roshan. That's the name of every camel here.
Hrithik Rossi?
Hrithik Roshan. It's like a Bollywood actor.
हाँ?
Yeah. ¿Cómo está?
Good. How about yourself?
What is your name?
My name is Sergio. What is your name?
What is your name, baby?
Sergio's getting hit on by Rajasthani ladies. What about me? Nobody's talking to me.
Ride the camel.
All right. Here comes another one. Being followed by 2 camels. I think this will be a good little thumbnail. 2 camels behind me.
नहीं मैं बात कर सकता हूँ मैं तो
Hello, ladies. How are you doing?
We're fine. You sound like
Hello.
you're from our neck of the woods.
I
He is.
probably am.
He is.
Where you from?
We're from Washington State.
Okay, I'm south of you guys.
Where?
San Francisco.
Okay.
One song,
I don't know. I don't have no money. I just gave him my last 50.
one song.
You don't have money. No money.
I don't have any money.
सब एक हो जा सब बॉडी हो जा
Still a good day.
Here comes a man running. He's charging at us. He hates vloggers. He's a snake charmer. He's got a snake thing on in his hand. He's about to release the cobras if you don't give him any money. Let's see what scam this man brings. Namaste.
Namaste, pero la cosa es que no entiendo inglés.
Понимаю по-русски.
No sé qué quiere decir.
Понимаю. Понимаю по-русски. Понимаю по-русски. Do you know any Metallica?
Bien poquita cerveza. Mira.
Yeah, cerveza.
No,
Piquero.
no.
No ma.
Ya me la acabé. Quiero más.
That's what you gotta do. Absolutely not.
I just paid my camel guy to go. No.
We charge money to sit on the camel. 500. Oh man, he almost ran into
You gotta
T-Bone
pay
the other
me to get
camel.
on the camel.
No problem.
We charge money to sit on the camel.
Normally.
We sit, charge money. We charge money to sit. You don't have money? Okay.
Did you happy trip?
Happy trip.
Okay.
What do y'all keep saying happy trip? What is that about?
Yeah.
I'm a big vlogger.
You know who he is?
My name is
You know
Harold.
who he is?
Harold Balder.
Okay. After
He's
you
famous.
I'm famous.
Cricketer.
Yeah.
He plays cricket.
Did
I
Yeah.
play cricket.
know?
India. It's not no bueno. No good.
Can we sit there?
No, we don't want.
Camel car seat.
No, man.
Okay.
Come here. No problem.
You said you got a camel taxi?
Camel car seat. This is
No,
parking.
it's a camel. Just say, I'll help you out. When you see customers, you go.
This custom. This
No,
is this
when,
is
no,
this,
when you see people over there, I'm gonna help you.
this is parking.
Not for me, no. When you see people over there,
Hello.
go.
You come here.
Go.
Go.
Sit.
No.
No problem. Camel.
50, 50. 80, don't
no.
go.
You don't
80
want
rupees,
no.
80.
No, no.
80 rupees. No.
rupees.
You're sitting.
No,
80.
I'm gonna teach
Only
you
50.
how to
No.
get customers.
Okay, no
Free.
problem.
When you see,
Walk
when
for
you see
free.
customers,
Yeah, free.
Walking free.
Free.
camel taxi.
Camel taxi, taxi.
No, I don't want to sit.
No,
No,
problem. You sit.
no, I don't want to sit on the camel.
And if you see me walking, just say camel taxi.
50, 50, 50. No, 50. 60, 60. No, 60 rupees. 60. No, 60.
Yeah, that camel does not look happy.
Hello.
No, 60 rupees. But come sit.
No,
60.
no. He
60.
said free.
60.
He said free. Still not going with him. I'm not sitting on the camel, man.
Look at that looking.
Beautiful.
60 rupees. Okay?
I don't know if you could see anything at all, but look at these colors. Popping.
I got it.
Popping like the fucking flag.
Trump 2020.
Trump
Burundi.
2020. I'm gonna say
Say Trump
Trump 2020.
Burundi.
Trump.
40.
Trump.
Trump 2020.
Say Trump.
Burundi.
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 Burundi, say.
We're here.
Burundi.
Trump 2020. Burundi.
Huh?
Say Burundi.
2020?
Trump.
Trump.
Trump
No. First
2020.
2020?
Burundi.
Burundi.
Trump 2020 Burundi.
Burundi.
Here, camel's going. Camel's going. He wants to be free. Look at that man go.
Sand fucking kicked up a mile high.